Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into a handy tutorial on how to use Trello's Jira Power-Up, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, we need to enable the Power-Up. Go to your Trello board and click on Power-Ups in the menu. Search for Jira and click Add. The reason we do this is to integrate the functionalities of Jira into our Trello board, which enhances our project management capabilities. Now that we've done that, let's connect to a Jira project. Back on your Trello board, you'll see a new Jira button. Click on this and then link to a Jira project. Input your Jira URL and follow the prompts to connect. This helps us because it allows Trello to pull data from the Jira project directly, keeping all your information in one place. Next up, we have the feature to create Jira issues from Trello cards. Simply open a Trello card and click on the Jira button. From the drop-down, select Create Issue. Fill out the required fields and hit Create. This is an important step as it allows for an easy transition between planning in Trello and task execution in Jira, ensuring seamless workflow. Now let's jump to the next feature, attaching Jira issues to Trello cards. Open a Trello card, click on the Jira button and select Attach Issue. Search for the issue you want to attach and click Attach. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is now pulling in data from Jira and displaying it right on your card. This helps you track progress without needing to leave Trello. But let's say you want to view an attached issue in Jira. Not a problem. On your Trello card, click the attached issue and select View in Jira. And voila, you're redirected to that issue in Jira. The reason we do this is to allow you to handle more complex tasks that might be beyond Trello's capabilities. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use Trello's Jira Power-Up. Remember, this tool is all about streamlining your workflow, making project management a breeze. So take advantage of these features and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in our next tutorial.